Because purpose ultimately is a choice. Purpose is not something you magically find in your life or in your job because your company is cleaning up a park or making a donation to a charity or taking a stand on a social issue. Purpose is something you must bring to your job every day. You have to bring purpose. Purpose is a mindset and an attitude you develop through deeper involvement in your work. So if you're in a job right now, or starting a new position, or interviewing for a first job, ask yourself these questions. Are you in it for the cash? In other words, so you can make money and live outside of work? Are you in it for a career? So you can build a reputation, wealth, notoriety, and make a name for yourself? Or are you in it for a calling? Is your work an expression of your values, your strengths, and your being? In other words, it's up to you to involve yourself in your work and help bring purpose to it. If you see your job as a paycheck, then you'll be miserable and live only for the weekends. If you see your job as a stepping stone to building your career, well, that's fine too. But all you'll care about really is the raise and the promotion, and won't be happy in the in-between periods. But if you see your job as an opportunity to intentionally bring your values, your strengths, and being to life every single day, as a vehicle to express who you are, then your work will be meaningful and it will have purpose.